With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello, so our question is, if for a graph plotted between the frequency of the deflected X-ray beam and the atomic number of the target metal gives a straight line with a slope and intercept, both are unity, that is important to be remembered, then what will be the atomic number of the target metal if the observed frequency of the X-ray is given? So here, first of all, we have to know what is the Moseley law. This law describes about a relationship between the atomic number and the frequency of a spectral line of the characteristic X-ray, and it is like this. We are having the frequency in square root form. It will be equal to A. Here it will be Z minus B, where Z indicates the atomic number, B is the frequency of the X-ray, and here A and B are constant. So here we have to just plot the graph first of all so that we can find the value of A and B. It is between the root V and Z, so it will be like this. In order to solve this question and draw the graph, first of all we have to know the equation of a straight line, that is y is equal to mx plus c. We have to compare it with this equation. So if we try to expand it, it will be root V is equal to az minus ab. So from here what we can say that if we try to compare it with the y is equal to mx plus c, so here m is the slope, this is indicating about the slope, c is the intercept. So here if we try to draw, here we have to just draw between the root of the frequency, square root of the frequency, and the atomic number. So it will be like this. Here we are having the square root of the frequency, this is the atomic number, and here important point to remember is that this a is the slope and this ab is the intercept. Now what happens if we try to draw the slope or the graph? So here the intercept is actually negative, that is it is just touching the minus y axis, and the structure will be like this. Here the slope is the value of slope, that is you can say that tan theta, it will be equal to the a, and here the value of slope is given, that is unity. Slope and intercept both are unity, so it will be equal to 1. The value of a, it will be equal to 1, so we can find the value of ab. Since the intercept is given unity and the value of a is also unity, so it will be this. So from here what we can say that the value of b, it will also be equal to 1. This is important to be remembered. Now here in this question it has been given the observed frequency, that is nu is given 2401 second inverse. So from here we can easily find the atomic number because we have given the relationship. So from here what we can say that if we try to draw it, if we try to write the reaction here, it will be az minus ab. So from here what we can say that making z as a subject, so it will be equal to what? It will be frequency square root divided by a, and here it will be plus b. So from here we can easily find, putting all these values here, then what we will get? We will get that z is equal to root, here it will be 2401, it will be 2401 divided by 1 plus b. So from here what we can say that the value of z, it will be equal to the square root of 2401 is 49 plus 1, that is z is equal to 50. So from here what we can say that it is exactly matching with our third option, so our third option is correct. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.